Hello everyone. My name is Subham Mandle and I today I explain in data science. First topic of basic of coding Python. Using comments Python. In Python comments are text in the code with the Python interpreter ignores which are helpful for explaining code. There are mainly two types, single line और मल्टी लाइन कंपोनेंट. सिंगल लाइन वो होती है जो एक ही लाइन में कमांड्स देती है और मल्टी लाइन्स ट्रिपल कोट्स देती है. थर्ड इज डॉक्स स्ट्रिंग. डॉक्स स्ट्रिंग आर स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ मल्टी लाइन कंपोनेंट typically used to describe function, class or model. This is a code is define get name triple quotes. This function get function whose name is passed and as an argument. These are two arguments, parameter or return. Second is executing commands Python. There are three types: direct execution using function, dynamic code. Direct execution, write and run Python code in a script or terminal. This code is print hello world using function. Define function to run specific code when called define create name and print hello name great hello. Dynamic code execution. Use eval and access for code in string. This is code is result. Eval 3 plus 5 return 8 and access for in I in range 3 print I. Four topic scheduling. Execute code on intervals with time. Import time while true. Print hello time dot sleep 5. Third is importing packages Python. In Python, packages or models are imported to use additional function and libraries. First is basic import. Simple package होता है. Import math print math.sqrt16 uses the math package to calculate the square root and add subtract like this. Importing specific function or classes, that is import only what you need for a package to save memory. More math, import sqrt. Print sqrt16 directly uses sqrt without needing to call max.sqrt. Import with an alias. Assign an alias to certain package names for conservations. Import pandas stpd. Define is equal to pd dot data form name Elisa Bomb age 25 30 print df. Importing all function. This imports everything from a package, but it's generally discussed to avoid conflict from max import star heads. Avoid using mate prefix but could lead to conflict. Print sin sign 0.5. Directly use sign function from max. Conditional import only when needed. You can import package conditionally, often used to optional dependency. If some condition, import numpy snp. Saving output Python. In Python, you can save the output of your program in different formats. Here are some common methods. Saving output to a text file. You can save any text output to a .txt file using the open function output hello world. With open output.txt file.write output. Saving output to a CSV file. The CSV model helps save the data format used to structure data. Like program input CSV, data, name, age, Bob, date of birth with open output.svg inline or as file. Writer svg writer file name or writer rows data. Saving output on JSON. The JSON model is ideal for saving data in JSON format with easy to read and compatible with many systems. Write a program with import JSON data is equal to name age with open output JSON WS file. JSON.dump data or file. Saving output to Excel. You can save data to Excel files using the pandas library. Import pandas as PD like a program data name, define pd.data frame data, and define to Excel output xlxs index फॉल आ जाएगा. Saving figure and float. For saving floats, use libraries like matplotlib. Data program import matplotlib.py plot as plt. plt.plot 123453 plt saving figure plot pngt से matrix of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Last topic of accessing records and variable Python. Accessing variables. If a variable is already defined, you can simply refer to as name x is equal to 10, print x, output is 10. Accessing records in list. For list orders collection, you can access records by their index number is equal to 10, 20, 30. Print number 0, the output 10. Accessing dictionary records. Directories store data as key value pairs. Access value using the key. Like a program person, name, age, and date of birth. Print person name, output Elisa. Accessing nest records. For nested data structure like a list within a directory, chain the accessor. नेस्टेड रिकॉर्ड्स चेन की तरह एक्सेस करता है. जो भी प्रोग्राम में पीपल का नाम, एज, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फिर जब प्रिंट कराएंगे डाटा में तो पीपल का नाम और पीपल 1 नेम लिखेंगे तो उसका आउटपुट डेट ऑफ बर्थ आ जाएगा. एक्सेस क्लास एट्रीब्यूट्स. इन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच यू एक्सेस वेरिएबल्स एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ अ क्लास इन हैंड्स. क्लास पर्सन डिफाइन करेंगे, सेल्फ नेम, एज, सेल्फ नेम इज नेम, फिर एक पी क्लास लेंगे पर्सन, प्रिंट कराएंगे पी नेम, आउटपुट एल्स आ जाएगा. यूजिंग ग्लोबल्स एंड लोकल फॉर वेरिएबल एक्सेस. यू कैन एक्सेस ग्लोबल एंड local variables dynamically with globals and locals. X is equal to 10, print globals x is equal to output 10. That is